Alright, well, if you thought the tune pipe was crazy enough, I did this. I put the tune pipe on the right and an old pipe off of the 91 Chevy that used to connect to the old muffler. Now it's straight pipe, so it doesn't really matter. But this comes out that way and this comes out that way. The opposed twin sounds a lot different now. It doesn't even sound the same with those pipes. I mean, it's not even recognizable. It sounds so different with that going that way and that going that way. I'll see if it starts up. It should, because it ran a minute ago. See what it'll do. It's got a bad starter relay. Now let me do some revs.